Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So it's me again, your friend. So I'm here in church, just waiting for a while because it's already 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and I had to wait for our AY program. So that's why I'm here sitting aside, and as usual, I'm just having a fun with my friends.
Milong na ko dire, pero na ako'y baba ganahan papaon.
What? I can't understand you, Char. Paragot. So, hi everyone. Please subscribe me in my channel and subscribe me to
Diyan ang puntilas ng ganito palpalon ba? Ay ko.
Goodbye.